Hello and welcome. In the previous video, we already discussed about what is GitLab runner. We also discussed about how actually runner is working, and we have now clear understanding that we have two types of runners. One, we call it SaaS runners and self-managed runner. As you know that SaaS runner is kind of a shared runner, and we do not need to set up anything if we are using SaaS runner. Even in this particular project, we have already used this SaaS runner. Now, we are going to talk about self-managed runner. Now, if you go to this particular CICD pipeline, here, when you click new project runner, you can register your own runner. We call it self-managed runner. Let's talk about how this self-managed runner is actually working. So, introduction. You can install GitLab runner and register your own runner on the gitlab.com or in your own instance. Now, this is the one most important part over here. Okay, as you know that we can run GitLab in two different environments. One, we can use gitlab.com, or we can also set up GitLab in our own instance. Now, if you are using gitlab.com, you have flexibility to use SaaS runner or self-managed runner. But if you are running GitLab in your own instance, then you cannot use SaaS-based runner. You have to set up self-managed runner. Okay, so if you are running your GitLab in your own instance, you have only one choice: to use self-managed runner. Okay, they can be installed on your own server in a cloud or on a local machine or even on the container. So you can run a self-managed runner from anywhere, but in short, you must have your own infrastructure. This runner can be dedicated to the single project, shared across the multiple project with your organization. But this all project must belong to the same organization. Self-managed runner provide higher degree of control over CI/CD environment because it is your own server. You can play with this very easily. You can install self-managed runner on a various operating system, including Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Docker, and even in the Kubernetes environment. Advantages: full control over the runner environment, allowing customization according to the project needs. Enhanced security, as they can be configured to run trusted networks or environment. No usage limits, CI/CD minutes consumed, making them ideal for the large or complex project with extensive CI/CD requirement, because when you are going to use SaaS-based runner, you have some limitation when you are using free accounts. Self-managed runner is available for both gitlab.com and self-hosted instance, offering flexibility for any project need. So, this is what we call it self-managed runner. Now, if we are going for the practical, you will get better understanding. So, we are going to set up a lab in which we are going to use self-managed runner with our gitlab.com account. But before this, I want you to understand how you are going to choose SaaS runner or self-managed runner.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.